Hello, it's Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Thursday, April 26th, 2018. I started a fresh combine today, and I'm proud of myself. I was able to stay in between 20 and 30 ticks today in the loss category. Really never had a chance. I think the most movement at any point in time from the 8 o'clock CST open of the former open outcry to close of market pretty much today was basically a 1p move. So in other words, what I saw today was maybe a 21, 22 tick move before it would retrace and come back the other direction. And I tried both sides. I tried to break out on the short, try to break out in the long, and it just didn't work out today. It was just, I guess, a consolidation day in this case. It looked like it wanted to go up early. It looked like it wanted to go down. It trended all the way down back to the pivot. I guess if you would have been able to catch the move at 68.68 today down to pivot, if you did catch that move, that was probably the best trade of the day. It would take some patience, some discipline, but it was available. So it was a good, that move itself was about a 3 to 4p move, depending upon how you looked at it, worth about 60 to 70 ticks, I guess, in other words. So there was a trade there if you would have been able to catch the 68.68 move that came down off the highest blue bar volume that came on the charts. The highest red bar volume that came on the charts really didn't give enough lift to the market and didn't send it back. We did attempt to make a move back to, and I was long as we moved back to the open, 5 minutes of the open. I think the low of that open was around 38.38 if I'm not mistaken. So it got back up to it, but then it traded off. So it's just one of those days that didn't trend. At least it didn't trend for me. Hopefully you did much better than I did. That's really all I have to say about today. Today was just a non-trending day for me. Um, but like I said, I'm glad that I kept most of my powder dry. I applied some of the new methodology that I wanted to put in, taking less of a hit, trying to find better spots to get in. My trade count has risen, and if I think the if I would have been able to trust some of the signals that I had today, I probably would have been down about -10 to -12. So it still would have been a negative day for me. I just would have caught the loss down a little bit. There was one time that I took a 7 tick hit, and then it didn't go above this one point, and I think there was another time that I took an 8 point hit that it went up to a certain point and didn't go past it. So take those two and add those 15 together, like I guess it was like somewhere between 10 to 15 ticks. Still would have been a losing day. It just would have been a lot less of a losing day. So I think I'm knock on wood. I like what I did on day one right now. I put myself in the position so that one trade tomorrow puts me in the win column and also pulls the count well above, can obviously pull the count up above 30,000 easy. So I'm back in the 30K combine, and I'm hoping that this is the one that I push to the 2,000 mark to go to FTP. So I need the market to participate though. Today the market did not participate as far as I'm concerned. After I got started in the trading mark, there was just not really any good trending moves, and there certainly wasn't any 3P moves inside the day trading session from 8 o'clock a.m. CST on to the end of the close right now. And that's about it. That's all I need to talk about right now. I hope you had a great day. I hope you had a better day than I did. And I hope tomorrow I will able to do something with this account and pull it into the black and never look back and get up to the 2K mark and then move on to the next stage or step two. That's it. That's all I need to talk about. Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video put together. Bye for now.